Shomendo, I have a question for you that the Central Asia trip that you went for, could you please let us know about the expenditure? Like if a Bengali person or whoever wants to go there, what should be like the budget and the costing part?
Okay. So actually there are
Briefly, you
different
can just say briefly, just the rough idea.
I just telling in 2 sentences. So there are different kind of travel. So one is backpacking travel, one is luxury travel, like that. So I usually travel the way the backpackers do, and my total cost for this trip was 60,000, and I covered 4 countries. And outside in hostels, I used public transport and all. But if you want to experience it in a more luxury way, you want to stay in hotels or you can use private tours, so it can go up to 1 to 1.5 lakhs.
Absolutely. Okay, we got this idea clear. And on this note, we are going to wrap up our class.